A lot of it had to do with the agent came in, put a sign up front, took a few pictures, overpromised, and then just got lost. Or did not have a professional fortitude to have those conversations, those difficult conversations that say, hey, you know what, guys, we got to adjust the price, right? Most of the expireds are canceled, not all, but most of them, from my experience, are because they were priced too high.
Yeah.
It's not the agent who sells the listings, it's the market, right? If it's priced correctly and you do a good job of representing that listing in terms of pictures and doing some marketing, it's gonna sell, right? So most of them do not sell because they're high priced, right? And that's the challenge, and that's where we come in again as real estate sales professionals. That's what we get paid $10,000, $15,000, $20,000 commission checks, right?